So, welcome to the fourth lesson on paraphrasing strategies. So, in this strategy, we are going to learn how to use varied sentence patterns to paraphrase. The learning outcome for this tutorial would be that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use varied sentence patterns when paraphrasing. So, to paraphrase effectively and vary sentence patterns, start by fully understanding the original text. Then, rephrase the main ideas in your own words using synonyms, different sentence structures, and changing the order of information. Here's a breakdown of how to use varied sentence patterns in paraphrasing. First, we should understand the original text. You are advised to read thoroughly. Ensure you grasp the meaning and purpose of the original text before attempting to paraphrase it. Next, identify key ideas and keywords. Focus on the core concepts and important terms in the original text. Next, it's time to rephrase in your own words. Once you have understood the text, you can use several methods to rephrase into your own words. First, you could change the sentence structure by breaking down long sentences. You can divide complex sentences into shorter and more easily digestible phrases. Another method would be to combine short sentences. Here you can join related short sentences to create more complex and flowing sentences. And you can also change the order of information. You can rearrange clauses and phrases within the sentence to create a different emphasis. So it's up to you how you would like to rephrase them in your own words and whichever way that makes it comfortable for you. Okay, so we're going to look at some examples. Here is an original sentence. The rapid growth of the internet has profoundly impacted global communication. There are several ways that we can paraphrase. Here's the first example. You can see that in this example, we have the part global communication. From the back, it has been brought to the front, so it's been foregrounded. And the part where it has been revolutionized by the rapid expansion of the internet. So there is a change in sentence structure as well as synonyms. Another varied paraphrase version would be the internet's explosive growth has had a significant impact on how people communicate worldwide. So here there is a change in synonym words as well as the word order. And the last example would be, with the internet's swift advancement, global communication has undergone a major transformation. So the sentence structure has been changed and also there is a transition word added. So you can see that there is a good variety here, even though it's just referring to the same original sentence, and the meaning is intact and not changed. So now it's time for you to try the exercises in the module, and I hope you get them. That's all for this lesson. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.